and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to sow some chili seeds or pepper seed. Whatever pepper seed you have got, you can sow them right now this time of year. And because it's still January, it's January the 19th. Yeah, it's 19th today, and I've got the seeds from last year, chili Anaheim seeds. Last year I bought it in July. I sowed them in July. It's too late to sow them. I still got some of the plants. Some of them died, and I still overwintered some of the plants. I'm still happy that they are alive. But these chili seeds says that we are going to sow them from February until April, and then we can plant them out from May to June, and then get the harvest from July to September. I'm still in January, but as you know, that chili seeds, they are really slow grower. Pepper seeds are really especially really slow growers, so they take a lot of time to grow, and they need actually time to grow. So I have a heated greenhouse. I'm not expecting them to actually grow so fast right now, because I'm sowing them in January. After they germinate, I will still have them in my greenhouse. I will then plant them out in March in big containers, because they are really slow growers. In these 4 containers, I think I have still 5 seeds left in this Anaheim chili. I'm going to put 2 in one, and then 1 and individually in one of these. And these are chili Anaheim, and these are normal chili. These are chili seeds which I have store-bought chili from a normal grocery store bought. It's a green chili variety, and I'm going to try to sow them to see actually what happens. And I'm going to sow them actually in these pots. So let me talk about the soil. For soil, you actually don't. Some says that you can use a seed starter mix, but I think it's not necessary to use seed starter mix, because seeds, they actually don't need fertilizers to germinate. So seed starter mix is actually normal seeds without. Seed starter mix are actually normal seeds without any fertilizer and things like that. So you can actually use soil that is not fertilized, that is used up soil. You know what I mean? You have a container from last year with soil in it. Take out the soil used for seed starting, because seeds like actually non-fertilized soil. And if you don't have pots like that, you can always use some salad box. These were actually cherry tomato box. So what I did for drainage, for watering from underwatering, I had 2 pots like that. And since the container got holes, I took duct tape on the holes and inside as well, so that because duct tape is waterproof as well, as you know. So duct tape is a really good source. So actually, let's start sowing them. And you need to label your seeds for when you actually sowed your seeds. So I have to get a label afterwards. But for sowing, it's really simple to sow them. You're gonna just sprinkle them, make holes and sow them. But first, you're actually going to need to moisten the soil, because after you sprinkle the seeds and then moisten your soil, the seeds will get dislodged, and it's not good. So firstly, let's begin to sow here. Actually, I got 8 seeds, so let's just make holes. Apologize for the noise because of the rain, but now I have sowed all the seeds I was going to sow, and I'm going to label it. Today is the 19th of January, and I'm going to label it and what type of seed it is. It's bullet chili and Anaheim chili. I'm going to place it in the windowsill. So I really hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you later in the next video. Bye.